I'm back. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And hey, my Preply subscribers, thank you so much for signing up. This one's for you. All right. Today's lesson is about 5 important travel words. Okay, so if you plan a trip, if you're going on a trip, you're going to need these 5 words on that trip. You're going to hear it and you might just use them. So let's get started, huh? Our first word is itinerary. Your travel plan. That's called your itinerary. Someone may ask you, may I see your itinerary? Number 2, passport. Everybody knows this word, passport. Passport is what is the certificate of travel that everybody must have to go from one country to another. Number 3, reservation. Yes, reservation. When you go to a hotel, you're going to need a reservation. When you go to have a meal at a restaurant or sometimes a cafe. Number 4, customs. Now, customs is the airport check, okay? That is the airport check that checks all the things that you have to make sure you're not bringing in something that they don't allow in that country, okay? So that's a very important word, customs. Number 5, our final word, luggage. Luggage. That is all of the bags and things that you have with you. Sometimes the taxi driver may ask you, oh, may I take your luggage and put it in the trunk, okay? Luggage. When you go to the hotel, right, the assistant may ask you, hey, do you mind if, they won't say, yeah, mind, they'll say, can I take your luggage, okay? So those are 5 words, 5 important words for travel. Please remember those words and use them when you need to, and remember them. Until next time, see you. Bye-bye. Take care.